Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a full review and demo of the Ordinary's first cleanser, and this is the Squalane cleanser. So I've been using this for I'd say almost a month now, so I figured that it's a pretty good time to let you guys know what I think. According to The Ordinary, this is a gentle cleanser that's been formulated to remove makeup while leaving the skin feeling smooth and moisturized. So when you squeeze it out of the tube, it looks and feels like a lotion. It's supposed to be gentle enough for daily use and suitable for all skin types because it's non-comedogenic and soap-free. Like many of The Ordinary's products, it's also oil-free, alcohol-free, nut-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and what else? It's fragrance free. So now let's talk about how I used it and what I thought. So the first way I would use this was during my morning skincare routine, and every night I cleanse my face and remove my makeup. So obviously I don't have any makeup on when I wake up in the morning, but my skin is prone to dehydration, so I do like to use pretty heavy sleeping packs and occlusives. So I like to wake up in the morning and still be able to feel like that tacky layer of moisturizer on my face, because then I know that my skin has been well hydrated and moisturized all night. But then that means that I do have to cleanse my face in the morning, so I have been using this. The directions for this cleanser state that it should be dispensed onto the hands, then you're supposed to rub your hands together until it melts into an oil, and then from there spread the melted oil over your face. I didn't really like this method because I found that I had to use so much more product this way, because if I dispensed it onto my hands and rubbed it around, it would coat my hands, and then I would have to like sloppily try and place it all over my face, but then I'd feel like I wouldn't have enough on my face, but my hands would be coated, so I'd have to squeeze out more product and then go in a second time and try to dispense everything on my face again. And I felt like that was such a waste of product and my money. So instead, I found it easier to use and way more cost effective to squeeze a blob onto my fingertips, blob it all over my face, and then start to work it into my skin. At first, it feels like you're rubbing a lotion all over your face, but after 30 seconds or so, it melts into like an oily consistency. And during my morning skincare routine, I'd rub it around for I'd say about 60 seconds. Then I'd add some water to my face and massage everything again to emulsify the product. You want to add water, then massage until you get this milky color, because that's when you know that the product has emulsified, and it's during this step that any impurities on the skin or any makeup you're wearing is being lifted off and can be washed away. So aside from using this as a gentle morning cleanser or as a gentle cleanser at the end of no makeup days, I have also tried to use this to remove my makeup after a full day of wearing a full face of makeup. In this case, I would do the same thing, apply some onto my face and rub it around until my makeup is melted, add some water to emulsify, then wash everything off. But I found that this cleanser is just a little too gentle to remove all of my makeup. A few times I followed with a cotton pad dampened with some micellar water to see if I had any makeup left on my skin, and every time the cotton pad would pick up leftover makeup, especially if I wore waterproof eyeliner or mascara. So if I had any waterproof makeup on, I would end up using this as a first cleanser and then going in with a second cleanser to remove the remaining makeup. So after testing this out for almost a month, my final verdict would be that this would be a great cleanser for anyone with sensitive skin and is looking for a gentle cleanser, somebody who doesn't wear any makeup, or someone who wears very, very light makeup. But if you wear heavy makeup or waterproof makeup, I would actually just skip this cleanser and instead go for an oil or balm cleanser like the Hamish Cleansing Balm or the Vanilla Co. Cleansing Balm, because those cleansers remove everything, but it's still gentle enough to use every day. This cleanser comes in a 50 ml bottle for $7.90 Canadian and a 150 ml bottle for $19.99, which I think is a fair price for the 150 ml tube. So all in all, I would give this cleanser a 7 out of 10 because it is a nice gentle cleanser, but because it didn't do a good job of removing my makeup when it claims to be formulated to target makeup removal, I just can't give it a higher score than that. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to me if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one.